how to use Google Chat and enable it on Gmail, and this about right here. So what it can be really satisfied on what it can be about right here through that. So what it can be really satisfied for that situation, that is still to be right now, guys. So what it can be really done over here, so progress that is still to be right here. So what it can be really satisfied for doing this very well, you can do is about be right here to click on 3 dots here or 9 dots, start to go for this one and started to see the Google Chat, that it should be really right here, to click on that one right here on the plus, as you can see Google Chat. And then as you can see, we're gonna start to see it, and then you're gonna add it over here. And then maybe we gonna see, if you scroll down right here, you're gonna see Google Chat over here about it. And then now once you do that, you're gonna start to add it and use it on Google on the website. And that is all about here to help you.